Hello dear students, today we are here again with a very important video for the standard 12 students, those who are going to appear for NEET, AIMS, JIP, MER medical entrance examinations. I am going to present a PPT for you for the best books for biology. So, my dear friends, you might be in doubt that which books you have to refer for the preparation of NEET. Let us discuss now. Are you searching for the best books for the NEET biology examination? Let's see then. The onset of your preparation for the NEET exam, it goes without saying that you will require the best reference NEET book for biology. The search for the biology NEET study materials is often a struggle. So, with many options available, it can also be very confusing and even misleading. So, in order to help you out with that, we have listed our best books for the NEET Biology 2020. Along with that, we have also provided the best NEET question bank for you, NEET preparation materials. So, read on to find more about the NEET Biology books. So, how to utilize the NEET books to your advantages? This is how it is important concepts and facts can be underlined. Making a good quality comprehensive note is recommended. They will add to your knowledge. Instead of focusing on too many NEET books, go for a few quality NEET books and prepare for them well. Once you start having a grip over your preparation, start attempting the NEET mock test. After some tests, you will see a constant improvement in your score. What are the strategies for reading the best NEET books? The strategies are starts from the beginning and choose the subject you are good at initially. I mean to say you that the subject which you like the most, you have to select it. Like if you like biology, then start preparing with the biology. If you like chemistry, then start preparing with chemistry. Once you gain the confidence in certain areas, move immediately to the concept and the subjects that is your weakness. Invest a good amount of the time in understanding and later practicing the questions on the concept. The key to scoring good marks by the NEET book is to prepare the topics well. Which are the best books for the NEET preparation? While the NCERT books are the best to get all the basic concepts covered, the following are the subjects of the best NEET books for each of the subject to be tested in the exam. For the preparation of the NEET or the other medical entrance examination, the key is to start with the NEET and end with the NCERT. NCERT is the National Council of Education, Research and Training. In between, you can refer the books mentioned below to understand more about the topics as well as to practice the questions. What are the 5 effective tips for using the NEET books? The 5 effective tips are the articles which are mentioned the above. Like begin with the NCERT NEET books and then move on to the other. NCERT will give you the basic knowledge. Read the NCERT as well as the other reference NEET books page to page. No matter how long the syllabus, do not indulge in the selective study. Attempt as many as mock test as you can. Mock test will give you the confidence to gain the marks. Make time and evaluate your performance in the end. How to study for the NEET with these books? It is recommended that you start your biology preparation with first 3 books listed above. The first 2 books provide in the depth detail in the concepts, important diagrams. Upon the finishing the first books, take up the objective biology books and medical entrance biology as they consist of the brief explanation of all the important concepts which are ideal for the revision. Revision for the NEET examination should start 2 to 3 months before the exams. Always remember. So there are following books which we generally recommend you to use for the NEET preparations. First is the Modern's ABC of Biology for Standard 11th and 12th, written by the author B.B. Arora, A.K. Sabharwal, Modern Publishers. Actually, ABC Biology is explained in a simple language and it makes the best pick for the students just starting out on their preparations. Consider as on the inclusive books Modern ABC Biology has clear and complete details of all the concepts with enough colorful diagrams to make it helpful for the medical entrance examinations. Students are recommended to use these books as it strictly follows the latest syllabus and it has an exhaustive set of exercises and latest questions for students to prepare for the NEET. So generally the first preference is about ABC Biology by Moderns. The second important and useful book is The Exploring Biology, which is having two volumes, volume 1 and 2 by Sanjay Sharma, Sudhakar Banerjee. It's from Arihant Publications. This is also quite handy book which you can refer it. Next is for the NEET Biology is the objective books from volume 1, 2, 3 by K. Bhatia from Dinesh Publications. This is also one of the important book. It is having a best revision methods as modern ABC biology. Exploring biology are thoroughly used. It contains 3 volumes and 10 years paper plan is also given in that. So the students prefer these books generally for the NEET examinations. The next book for medical entrance biology, volume 1 to 3, written by Mamta R. Solanki and Lalita Ghotik. It's from Target Publications, which is very common publication. You know that it's generally used for the medical entrance biology, comprises the exhaustive notes, MCQs with the help the students for conceptual understandings of the subject. It's generally available in the market. Many a times you get such books easily in the market. So they are having some tricky questions which helps you out to clear the examinations like CBSC, AIMS, CPMT, PMT, AFMC, JPMER, etc. So these are the reference books which I am presenting at glance. Modern CBC Biology for Standard 11th and 12th by B.B. Arora, A.K. Sabawal from Modern Publication. The second important book is Exploring Biology by Sanjay Sharma, Sudhakar Banerjee from Arihant Publication. The third important book is Objective Biology, which is having 3 different volumes by K.N. Bhatia, K. Bhatia and Dinesh Publications. The fourth important and useful book is Medical Entrance Biology, having the 3 volumes by Mamta R. Solanki, Lalita Ghotik from Target Publications. So these NEET books are very useful, as well as I will refer you also to refer the NCERT books which is useful for preparation of biology. Go through the best study materials for biology listed below, just as said you. Also simultaneously use NCERT books. Learning process will be made simple with NEET books, which I have said you. Truman's Biology is also one of the important book, which is having 2 different volumes. Dinesh Objective Biology books written by S.C. Verma. Biology books prepared by Pradeep Publications, and NCERT obviously, which the test books are very helpful during the examinations. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any feedback and query, please contact me on the given number. Thank you.